turbochargers. They might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real and they're awesome. Let's find out why. So what's a turbocharger? It's like giving your car a shot of espresso. A turbo uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine, which pumps more air into the engine. More air means more fuel, and more fuel means, you guessed it, more power. But what's the catch? Turbos can sometimes cause a thing called lag. That's a delay before the power kicks in. Plus, they can be pricey to maintain. Now, let's talk non-turbo or naturally aspirated engines. They're simpler with no turbo to worry about. This means less maintenance and a smoother power delivery. But they usually pack less punch compared to their turbocharged cousins. So, which is better? It depends. If you crave power and speed, turbos are your friend. For reliability and simplicity, non-turbos are the way to go. Whether you're team turbo or team non-turbo, remember, the best ride is the one that makes you smile. Happy driving. So we've talked about the pros and cons of turbocharged cars, but how do these turbocharged beasts perform in everyday life? Let's dive into some real-world experiences from car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. First up, meet Sarah. She's a young professional who commutes to work daily in her turbocharged sedan. Sarah loves the instant power surge when merging onto highways or overtaking slower vehicles. She says, "It's like the car just knows when I need that extra push. It makes driving so much more fun and dynamic." Next, we have Mike, a weekend warrior with a turbocharged sports car. For Mike, the thrill of hearing the turbo spool up and feeling the G-forces when he accelerates is unparalleled. He shares, "Taking my car to the track and pushing it to its limits is an adrenaline rush like no other. The turbo makes all the difference." But it's not all speed and excitement. Let's hear from Emily, a mother of two who drives a turbocharged SUV. Emily appreciates the balance of power and efficiency. "With the turbo, I get great fuel economy during school runs and grocery trips. But I also have the power when we go on family road trips. It's the best of both worlds," she explains. Finally, we talk to Alex, a mechanic with years of experience under his belt. Turbo engines have come a long way. Modern turbos are more reliable and efficient than ever before. Sure, they require a bit more maintenance, but the benefits far outweigh the cons for many drivers, Alex notes. So, there you have it, a glimpse into how turbocharged cars fit into different lifestyles. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a daily commuter, or a family driver, there's a turbocharged vehicle out there that could be perfect for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive insights. Drive safe and turbo on.